so you're on video now. What would you guys like to say about your lesbianism?
Totally awesome we are.
It's totally awesome,
We're
and I'm so glad I found someone that was really into it as much as I was.
Into what?
She's
into
happy she
what?
found someone who understands the way that I do.
What were
Well,
you into
know,
that Jill was into?
being vaginas.
So you were into vaginas, and you found out you were happy to find somebody that was so into
You know, we were
vaginas.
like into vaginas, and we were like researching it, and we found each other.
No, don't listen to Sean. Whatever Sean says, do not do it.
All right, guys, we've got a little quiz here. This is the last part of the program. Each of you need
We're
to
just
give.
so happy looking at you. Like, why are you even
No, hold on, hold on. I'm sorry, but as an expert,
What?
this is an interview.
We're so happy together. What?
First of all, you both have wine lips. Aaron and Jill here, I need you both to give 3 adjectives about how you feel about each other and lesbianism as a whole.
I got a good one.
Okay. 3
Aaron
each.
goes
Okay.
Each of you. All right, Aaron.
This is your bass song, and Mike
Uppily. Tart.
like they're
All right, those are your 3 about lesbianism and vaginas in
That's
general.
a really good
All right.
vagina.
Jill, 3 adjectives about vagina/lesbianism.
Oh my god, okay. Let me think about this really hard. Okay, vaginas, A, yes, duh.
Those aren't adjectives. Give us.
Vaginas.
Come on, Jill. You're at a presidential campaign. You can think of some adjectives.
Vaginism.
No, fuck you. You were, come on.
but piano.
Give in.
Vaginism. Sweet pie-ism.
Those are nouns,
Right
Jill.
here. No, not when you had ism. Fuck you.
Ism is a noun.
Ism to anything.
Adjectives.
Yes.
Adjectives about the vagina and
Fine.
the lesbianism.
I hate you. Okay.
It was his idea, not mine.
Of course
Fuck
it was.
him.
Of course it was.
We'll kill him.
He's a male.
How will you kill him, is what I want to know.
Yes.
With what
brutally-
method?
Brutally and probably with vagina.
Really
Because it's
probably
big, have working for
Smother
us.
him with your vagina.
Smother him with our vaginas, which is not the worst way to go out.
Alright,
I completely agree that it's not the worst way to go.
Best way ever.
Jill did not have any adjectives, but these two seem to be in
Vaginas
love.
and
This is Tess Thomas reporting from
about it.
Thanksgiving night.
Christ, Aaron.
And
Vaginas and cockroaches.
you know, if you feel each other out